Recently, Grok reduced its daily usage. Now you can only create a few videos per day. For many creators, that's not enough, but instead of stressing, let's adapt. I've done some research for you, and here are some of the AI tools you can start using right now. So make sure you watch until the end, because the last one is very, very interesting. So the first tool is Meta AI, and then this tool is completely free and then unlimited, and is built into Facebook and Instagram. So you can create images and then you turn those images into videos, or you can just bring your own image and then turn that image into a video. So all you need to do, you just click on this plus sign to add your image, and then on this side you just click on here to put your prompt. Okay, so now the only downside of this website is that your video won't have the sound. There will be no voice at all. And then another thing that could happen is that you can have the so the only downside of this platform is that the video won't have the sound. There will be no voice at all. And then sometimes when you use it more often, it will have a watermark on it on this. So you can actually fix that by editing in Canva or any other platform, and then with the watermark, pop it out, or you can just use the other platform to remove, because there are other AI that can actually remove the watermark. Okay, you can add the sound, your own sound, or you can have a voiceover. Okay, you can use the platform like Minimax AI or the 11 labs. Okay, so the second one is called Qwen AI. Okay, so Qwen at 3.5 plus, as is written here. So what is happening on there with this one is actually powered by, or it's been developed by Alibaba, you know Alibaba. Okay, and then it can generate images, and then it can also generating the videos. You can turn your image into video. So all you need to do, you can just add your image on this plus sign, and you click here to put a prompt, and then you can just select the size, the aspect ratio of your video, and then when you're done, you can just click on this AIReel to generate. Okay, so here we've got the third one, which is called AIReel. Okay, AIReel is an AIReel. All right, so this platform is that this tool gives you around 300 credit, as you can see right here on the corner, 300 credit to use. All you need to do, you can come here to the models that are available here. You've got AIReel 2.0, of which is gonna take 60 of your credit from the deducting from the 300, and then Cling that is gonna take 400, and remember you've got only 300. So the only option here is to take the is to use the AIReel 2.0, as is the only one that is cheaper. Okay, so now we're gonna so this is where you put your prompt, and then on this one is 720p resolution. You can just choose the between 720 and 480p. The other one is actually the one for the if you are paying, if you are subscribed to their pay version. Okay, so the duration, you have 5 seconds and 8 seconds. So you're gonna go with 8 seconds, and then with the AI sound, you must make sure that you put it on so that it can have the sound on your videos, and then you just click right here. It will take a 60 of it will take 60 credit, and then you wait for some few seconds in order for you to get your results. The fourth, I think this is the fourth one. The fourth one is called a Bing AI. So a lot of people are not talking about this tool, but it is very, very powerful. You can generate high quality images, you can turn images into the videos, and also it gives you a credit so you can keep creating. So all you need to do, you can just bring your image here, and then you bring your own prompt, and then you choose the aspect ratio. It's got only two, which is the vertical and horizontal, and then you click on generate, and then you wait for your results. Finally, this is the one you have been waiting for. It's called Digen AI. This one is the one of the best tool right now. It's beginner friendly, easy to use, and it gives you a daily credit. And as you can see right here, I've got 210 credit to use. Okay, so all you need to do is the same as the others. You just bring your reference image into the platform, and then you put your prompt right here, and then here you choose the best model. So the only models that you can choose from is only these four models: real motion 3.1 turbo, and then real motion 3.1. Okay, so this tool actually has the audio on, is built in with the audio, so it's the best one as we are looking for the best, as we are looking for the alternative for Grok AI. So this is the good alternative for Grok AI. So you can just choose one of these, and then you come here for the duration, but it can only create 5-second video. And then with the resolution, we're gonna go with 16 by 9, depending on what you are creating your video for. Okay, with the resolution, it will be 480p, and then you can just here is the seat. We can just leave the seat alone, we don't need there. It says keyframe mode, so we can just leave that out and then concentrate on generating your video. So this is actually gonna take a little bit of time as well, but it's not the same time as the other one. Okay, so let's just wait and see.
My loves, this is what matters most.
Family first.
Okay, so those are the best AI tools you can use right now. And remember, don't rely on just one platform, because things can change anytime. Okay, so let me know in the comment section which one you are going to try, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.